Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna draw a Christmas tree. First, let's draw the star at the top of the Christmas tree. Then we continue drawing the tree. And the trunk, then the soil at the bottom. Let's draw a wavy line that's for the snow at the top. And then let's draw the Christmas ornament. Make it simple, just draw some circles. And we are done. We are ready to color. Color the star yellow, and for the ornaments, just choose any color, make it colorful. I'm choosing red, blue, yellow, and purple. While for the tree, it's light green. Let the top of the tree white because it's snow. The trunk is brown. Black or dark brown for the soil, and the left and the right side it's white because it's snow. And it's done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.